Self, all of you, mute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Can you all hear me? Show me a thumbs up if you all can hear me. Yes? Okay, first of all, everyone, please turn on your camera. And if I'm asking you something and if you want to say yes, what you have to do? You have to show me a thumbs up. Okay? And if you want to say no, what you will do? You will do thumbs down. Very good. And when you're doing thumbs up, you have to smile. Okay? Can you give me a smile? Yes, very good. So we will start with the class very soon. I'm just waiting for a few more students to join. Students are still getting joined and very soon we will start with the class. Yes, I'm just connecting my camera only. By the time, be ready with all the material that was given in the list. Make sure you have all the material, okay? Yes, even I'm very excited. And whatever questions you have, whatever you want to ask, you can put it in the chat box. The size of the sheet would be A4 size, okay? A4 size means the smaller drawing copy, the smaller one. We will be needing watercolors. We will be needing cotton, earbuds, A4 size drawing copy, pencil, eraser, black sketch pen. Can you all see my drawing? Can you all see my drawing? Okay, for today's class, this would be the material that we will be using. Can you all see my screen? Show me a thumbs up if you can. Can you all hear me clearly? Yes? And everyone forgot again. Every time showing a thumbs up, what you have to do? You have to give a smile. Okay? Yes, because I can see all of you from here. So you have to smile every time you're showing a thumbs up. And today we are going to do New Year special drawing. Okay? As New Year is coming, everyone must be excited. So you have to keep your drawing copy vertical. Okay, we will be needing a circle of this size. And I'll show you it is little bigger than my bangle. Okay, this circle is little bigger than my bangle. So we need a circle which is little bigger than the bangle, okay? And Two more things that we will be needing for today's class. Those who are joining just now, please arrange that as soon as possible. We will be needing a Fevicol and scissors. These two things we will be needing more, okay? So rush to your mom or ask her or just rush to your study table and get these stuff, okay? These two things we will be needing in today's class. We will be using them in the end. Okay. My drawing will not show because I have not drawn anything yet. We will be drawing together, okay? So everyone ready to start? Okay, one more thing. Students are asking that unmute me. We have a large number of students in this class, right? So I will not be able to unmute anyone. Whatever question you have, just put it in the chat box. Okay, I will answer to all the questions. Right? So whatever doubts you have, just put it in the chat box. Yes, I'm waiting. So you have to keep your drawing copy. Can you all show me your circle? The circle you have? Can you all show me in the screen? Okay, someone is carrying compass also. Sellotape and bowls, different kind of stuff. Okay, very good. So that is good. We will be needing pencil and eraser. How many of you are attending the class for the first time? Raise your hand if you are attending the class for the first time. Okay, so many of you. I welcome all of you. So in today's class, we are going to do watercolors. We are going to do plastic crayons. Okay, so let's get started now. Keep your drawing copy vertical. Okay, you have to keep your drawing copy vertical just like I have kept it like this. What is the meaning of keeping it vertical? Like this, okay? Portrait mode. Now you have to take this circle and place it in the center. I have kept it in the center. Yes, you can use glue. We will not need it now, but we will need it in the end of the class. You can use glue and you can use Fevicol. Whatever stuff you have available, we just need to stick. Okay, so there is no compulsion that you have to use this only. You can use anything that you have. So I have kept this circle in the center and now I will shift it little upwards, okay? So this is the top of my drawing copy and I have kept it like this. And now you have to hold it using your left hand and pick up the pencil in the right hand and draw a circle. You have to hold it and press it, okay? Press it little bit and then draw a circle. So we will get a nice circle using this cap or compass, whatever you are using. Okay. Those who cannot see the video, please switch to speaker's view. When you will switch to speaker's view, you will be able to see the video. Okay. Switch to speaker's view, and even after that, you are not able to see, click on unpin video. Okay. By clicking on unpin video, you will be able to see. Right? Now I will take two dots. I will take two dots, one this side and one this side. We have to take two dots on this circle. Create two dots. Okay. And now I will be creating C. C for cat. You all know how to write C for cat. I will write a C this side. Okay. And a C this side. Two C I have to create. Yeah, it does not have to be equal. You can just make it random. See, we are doing just freehand drawing. Okay, so you don't have to measure everything. Just pay attention to what I'm doing and try to do that. You can make it equal. Like I have made one bigger and one smaller. So you can do it this ways also. I just did it randomly. Okay. We are doing a New Year special drawing. And now I will connect. I have 2 points now. See, one this and one this. So I will connect these two ends of these two C, making another big C. Okay, so I'll make a flat big C like this. And make sure that it looks like a line. It should not look like separate. If I have drawn these two C and if you do it like this is wrong. Getting me? You have to draw it in such a way that it looks like it is a line. Okay. And after doing this part, I will erase this upper line. I don't need this upper line, so I will erase it. Right? We are creating a beautiful and very cute little cartoon saying Happy New Year. Because the New Year is coming, so you can use this drawing either to decorate or to use it as a greeting card. Okay? When you're done till here, you have to show me a thumbs up. Okay? Whenever you are done, what you will do, you will show me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay. So now, see, this is the top of my circle. Okay? Here. I will come here, little here, and I will create two dots. I will create two dots like this. Okay? Take two dots like this. Okay, and now from this point to the end of this, I will write an S. Okay, I will write an S. How I will write the S? Like this. Again, I have to create it in such a way that it looks like it is the continuation of C. Okay, this is very important. Right? Yeah, I am using A4 paper only. I'm using A4 size. What I did, I made an S. Okay, I'll show you again how I did it. I have connected this point with this point of my C, making an S. Okay, like this. Now again, I have to make another S, but this would be little flat. So I will come from here and then I'll connect it. Okay. In fact, I'll come straight like this. Okay, make it like this only. Make it kind of C only. Make it a C. Like this. No, this is not a swan. We are making a dwarf. Do you know the meaning of a dwarf? How many of you know the meaning of dwarf? Yes? Yes, a short person, a short-heighted person. How many of you know the story of Snow White? You know? Do you know the story of Snow White? What happened in the story? She found 7 dwarfs, है ना? They were little cute. Humans. Okay. So now what I'll do, just beside this, I'll take a dot. I'll take a dot just beside it. Okay. And I will connect this point with this point like this. Again, making a C. Yes, I know many of you know the story of Snow White. So she met, when she was lost in jungle, she met 7 dwarfs. Okay, now I will connect this point. Now everyone look at it very carefully. I'll connect this point with this point, again making a C. And you have to pay attention to it while doing it, okay? Because it should look like a shape. So I will connect it like this. Okay, I'll connect it like this. I'll fix the shape of this also. Yes, this is how it should look. And this is the cap of my dwarf. Okay. Yes, very nice. Everyone done till here? Show me a thumbs up if you are done, okay? Very good. Very nice. Now I have these 2 dots, है ना? The dots I took in the beginning. I will make another C. Another flat C I'll make. Like this. Okay, I have made another flat C because, you know, little dwarfs have big beard. Okay, they have very long and big beard. So I will connect these 2 points, making a flat C again. Make it very carefully. And after every step, what you have to do, you have to check your drawing again. Okay, very important. After making a shape, when you're done with it, now just check it. whenever you get time, that whether you have done right or wrong. And if you find any mistake, simply erase it and fix it. Yes, we have drawn a circle, and then we made 2C. We took these 2 points on the circle and we made 2C. And then we have made the shape of this cap. And after that, we have connected it, these 2 points again, making a C. That's what we have done till now. Okay, now I will erase this line also. I don't need even this line. So I will erase it. I will erase it. Okay. Yes, it will look like a Santa only. It is not Santa, it is a dwarf, but it might look like a Santa. Okay, because it wears that same kind of cap. How many of you are done till here? Now I will take 2 dots at the edge of this C we made. Okay, like this. I will make these 2 points and I will connect them with the C again. Okay, you have to connect them with a C like this. Right? Connect them with nice C. After this, I will make another 2 dots and I will make another C. Again, I'll connect it and I'll make C. Okay, I'm making the design of its cap, right? We are drawing a dwarf. We are drawing a little cute cartoon character that is holding a banner saying Happy New Year, because New Year is coming, hai na? And this is a New Year special activity. So now let's take 2 more dots and again make C. Okay, no, this is not a snowman. Again, I will do the same thing. I'll take 2 dots and I'll make stripe. You know, basically I have to make so many stripes so that my cap looks like this. This is the cap. So he's wearing a very nice printed cap. Yes. Okay. Now take 2 dots on the cap at the bottom. Okay. Yes, it will look like Smurf also. You must be knowing Smurfs. Have you seen the movie? I've not seen the movie, but I know about them. Okay. And I will write 3. I will write 3. Okay. After that, I will make two big circles to make two eyes. One and two. Two circles to make two cute eyes. Okay. And after making these eyes, I have to make the eyebrows. So to make the eyebrows, I will make oval shape just above it. I will make two oval shapes like this to make the eyebrows. And now is the time to make the detailing of eyes. Okay, so look at it very carefully what I'm doing into the eyes. Okay, so first of all, I will make a circle inside and one circle this side. Two circles I will make. I will tell you how to make very cute looking eyes and they will look absolutely live. Okay, now I will draw another circle inside. Let us draw two more circles inside. One inside this and another inside this. Okay. Everyone done? Yes? Okay. After this, I will make a small circle. I will make a small circle inside both the eyes. Okay. This is what I have made. I have made one more circle. So, there are total 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 circles in one eye. Okay. You have to make big eyes. Yes, very good. And after this, the smallest circle just beside it, I will draw another circle which is very small, which is touching the outer circle like this. Yes, okay. So it will touch the outer circle like this. Is everyone done with it? Show me a thumbs up if you are done with the eyes. Yes, very good. Okay. Now you know what you have to do. I will make the cheeks. To make the cheeks, I will make a C overlapping the eye. Look at it very carefully. I will make it like this. One, a C, and again a C. Like this. This is what I have done. I have drawn two C overlapping. I will make it overlapping even more. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I have made the cheeks overlapping the eyes. Is everyone done with this? These are very small steps that you have to follow. Okay. Now I will erase the eyes which is coming down. These lines I will erase. Okay. So I will erase this part and this part. See, this is how it should look. Yes, it will look very cute. Okay. How many of you are done with this? Show me a thumbs up if you are done. Okay, very good. Now, take these 2 points. Okay, let us make a small circular nose. In fact, let us make a nose, a big nose. Circle like this, okay? And just below this, I will make a small smile. I made a circle touching this line just above it, an oval shape. And below this, I made a small C, a very small C. Okay, now, okay, tell me one thing. Every one of you have cotton? Show me your cotton, everyone. Every one of you has good amount of cotton, na? We will be needing good amount of cotton. Not this much, but yes. We will need more cotton, okay? Yes, so keep good amount of cotton with you. If you don't have, we are not using it now, but we will be using it in some time, okay? So you can ask your mom to get it. Share the link. Direct link to join the class. That's okay. If you don't have, that is completely fine. You can paste it later also. But if you have, then keep it, okay? Oh my God, someone is showing huge amount of cotton. Very good. we will not need this much of cotton, but yes, little bit of cotton will be needing. Okay. Now I will take 2 dots outside of the cap and here. 1 and 2. 2 dots I have taken outside of the cap and yes, just Raj, I will do that. Okay. So now I will connect these 2 points, making a C. Let us make a C. And let us connect this point also with C. Again, I will make a C. This side and this side. Okay. Again, let us make a C. Both the sides. Yes, it looks like Santa. I know it looks like Santa only. Again, a C from this side and this side. Okay, now we are coming inside. We were going downwards and then we are coming inside. Make it very carefully, okay? And now we will make the last C, which would connect these two. Like this. Okay, so I have made so many C. Can everyone show me? Bring it close to the camera. This is the complete drawing, okay? Very good. Bring it close, very close to the camera so that I can see. See, you know, as you can see that my beard is covering the page. Till where it is coming? it is coming till here, okay? Very less space is left. So you have to make a big beard. Very good. Now let us come to the bottom of the page and take 2 dots at this point. Okay, we have to take 2 points at the end of this point and end of this point. 2 dots, 1 and 2, then leaving some space, 1 and 2. I've just taken 2 dots. 2, 1 and 2 this side and 1 and 2 this side. Yes, I'll be waiting for a minute and then I'll proceed, okay? Right. Now I will make 2C. 1 and 2. Okay. And it will be small. It will not be very big. It will be small. Like this. 1 and 2. And we will connect the bottom. Okay. Here also I will make 2C. 1 and 2. And I'll connect the bottom. Make sure you make the bottom flat. Okay. The bottom must be flat. The C can be bigger and smaller, but the bottom has to be flat because these are the shoes of little dwarf. Okay, like this. Yes, Aishani, it is right. That is what we are going to do with cotton only. Okay, is everyone done till here? Show me a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs down those who are still doing. Show me thumbs down those who are doing. Okay. Okay, I'll wait for a minute and then we will proceed. Okay, it is 41. It is 40. 540. Now you have to take another paper. Take another paper. Take a new paper. And you have to draw a rectangle in this paper. Okay. So you have to draw a rectangle like this and draw it using hand. Okay. I don't want you to use scale for this. Draw it using hand. Like this. A small rectangle you have to draw. Yes, I'll show the last drawing also. Okay, just a minute. I will take off this paper so that everyone can see my last drawing. Okay, so this is the drawing and this is the rectangle I have made. Okay. The another paper will be used on this only. Okay, we will paste it. So now what you have to do, you have to take 2 dots like this and 2 dots this side. 2 dots you have to take. Okay. I will tell you later what are we making now. Okay, now you have to make C at both the sides. And you know, this C would come little forward like this. It will come little forward like this, little inside the box. It is not a gift box. It would be a banner which would say Happy New Year. Okay? Now you have to make 3 points inside at equal distance. Okay? 1. Let us make 2 only. Let us make 2 points only. Like this. Okay? And now I will connect it making U. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Again, I'll make it 1, 2, 3. Yes. So we have made this on another paper. This is how it is looking. Okay. And we will erase these lines which are coming inside. We don't need these lines. So I will erase them. I will erase this also. And this is how it should look. Now we will write on this Happy New Year 2021. Okay, so we will write on this. And along with this, we will make a circle also. A circle of this size. Little smaller than this. A circle. Okay. We will make a small circle also. That's it. Everyone done with this? Yes? Okay, completed. And those who are done can pick up their sketch pen and start doing the outline. Now we will be outlining whatever we have done. We will outline it. Okay. So pick up your sketch pen and start outlining it. We will not outline the nose except all the part we will outline. Okay. So outline it very carefully. You can rotate your drawing copy just like I am doing. I will keep it like this and then I will outline it. Make all the lines, not the dots, okay? We have to make all the lines that we have done. I will even outline the lines I have drawn inside the eyes. Okay, I will outline the beard also. Show the banner. Okay, just a minute. I will be showing the banner now because I will do that only. Okay, so this is the banner. This is the little nose. I have made it separate. And I'm making the banner part now. I will write Happy New Year. 2021. You can write it nicely, okay? Okay, so we have done the outline in both the sheets. I've done outline in both the artworks. I've used another sheet, same paper. I've used the same paper, but this is different, okay? I've just taken another sheet. This is the nose. You know, we will be sticking the nose also. We will be making a popping nose. So that is why we have made this circle. Okay. And now one more thing. Everyone, please pay attention. Look at my screen. This part is very, very important. I want to show all of you. That I have to fill the black color in the eyes in this area. You see in this area, in the second circle, we will not fill any color in these two eyes, in these two circles that we have made small circles, but in the outer area. I will fill it with black sketch pen. Like this. Okay, so this is how I have filled the colors in the eyes. I have not filled the color in the small circle. Okay. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now I will pick up the eraser and I will erase all extra lines. Okay, I will erase all the extra lines. except the nose. I'm not erasing the nose right now. Okay, I'm erasing all extra lines. And blow away all the dust. Right? And I will erase extra lines in the banner also. In the banner that I have created. Right? I will erase this also. Ready? So now pick up your plastic crayons. Get your plastic crayons and we will start with the coloring. Yes, I have made a circle. Okay, look at it. I have made a circle which is the nose. Here are my plastic crayons. Okay, so I will start using them. So I will keep this paper aside. First of all, I want to fill color in the cap of my Santa. Okay. So I will take this color. This is dark pink color. Okay. Or you can take the red color also. Right. And I will start doing in the first band. I will do dark outline at the edges. I will do a dark outline at the edges. I'm showing you a very different way of coloring, which would make your drawing look absolutely 3D. Okay. So do a dark outline around the edges. Now you will create another outline. In fact, now you can fill the color like this. Fill the color regularly like this, but it has to be light coloring, okay? It has to be light and it has to be in one direction. Okay, so I have filled the color now. So I have one outline and one filling. Okay. This is red color I'm doing. I've taken the red color and I'm doing the same. Okay. Now we will try to merge it. I will zoom it in so that you can see even more clearly. Yes. Is it clear now? Yes. Now I can distinguish between these two levels. Okay. So I will rub my color. I will rub my color in such a way that it will get merged. Just rub it gently. Don't do it harshly. Otherwise, you will create the dark line. We don't want the darker line, but we want to mix. Now you can see the difference between this and this. Hana? If you don't have red color, you can use any color. You can use green, you can use magenta, maroon, whichever color you have available, you can use. Because, we are just making a cap and this is not Santa. So it can wear the cap of any color. You can use orange color also. I am making it red and white. Okay. So this is how I have filled the red color. I have merged it. I have rubbed it. Now I will repeat the same thing I will leave this one white. I will not fill any color in this. Now I'll come to this and I'll again make darker outline at both the edges. At both the edges only. Okay. Because we want to make it look 3D, that is why we are doing this. Again, I will fill the color in the center The light filling I'll do in the center. And now I will rub the color and I'll try to merge it again. Okay, so I will rub it and I will try to merge it. Like this. Okay, same I will do with another one. You know, we have to keep repeating it again and again after leaving one stripe. Make sure you leave one stripe white. Again, I'll do it. I'll do dark red both the sides. And I'll try to merge it. Again, okay. Same I will do with another one. In the last ones, in the ones which are at the end, you don't have to do this all. You can simply fill the color in the ones which are at the end. Okay, if you see, I have not done any shading in the end ones, the smaller ones. I have done it only in the bigger ones. So do you see a light, a gradient kind or 3D kind of effect in this? Hannah? Now we will do it on the other part also. So pick up your skin color and dark brown color. Okay, we need these two colors. Okay. Now I will do a very thin outline. I'm not doing it. See, I want to show it white, but dull white. Okay, so that is why I'm adding brown. So you have to be very careful while adding brown color, that make a thin line of it. Just a thin line. A thin line this side and a thin line this side. Here as also I will do the same thing. Thin line both the sides. And here also. Okay. I've done very thin line. And after doing the thin line, I will do the light color and I'll try to merge it with white. See, this is how I've done it. Can you see? Try to merge this outline with white color. Just rub the color gently and try to merge it with white color. If you don't have skin and dark brown color, you can use orange color instead. Or you can use yellow ochre also. Same I will do with all the parts, that I'll try to merge this color. Okay, in the last one, I'll just fill it, but in the second last also, I'll try to merge the color. Like this. So that it would look really 3D. It would look so nice. Okay. Is everyone able to achieve this effect? Show me a thumbs up if you are able to do it. This is very easy actually. Hannah, complete it. Okay, very good. How many of you are done till here? If you don't have plastic crayons, you can use any other colors you have. You can use pencil colors also. They will also give almost the same effect. Now take the skin color and fill very light skin color at the edges only at the edges. Okay, like this. I'm just doing it around the brown color. Like this. Okay, I'm not filling it in whole shape because this is white. I just wanted to show it off white. That is why I have to fill skin color. You can use yellow color also in place of skin color. That would also look very nice. Okay. So now if you see, the cap is looking absolutely 3D. है ना? It looks 3D. If you don't have skin color, use brown color or any other color you have available. Yellow color, orange color. Okay, now is the time to do skin color in the face. And to do that, I will pick up the orange color. Pick up the orange color and start making outline, thin outline with orange color inside the face. Like this, okay? I have done orange color around the eyes also. Very thin outline of orange color I'll do. Now, after doing this thin outline, you have to make a lighter outline of orange color. Very light outline around the orange color, okay? Everywhere. Wherever you have done the outline, you have to do a lighter outline of orange color. This is a dwarf. Okay, like this. The meaning of dwarf is a small man. Very good. Many of the students are showing and they have done amazing. Very nice. Now, pick up the red color, everyone. We have to make the cheeks, and to make the cheeks, I will fill light color, light red inside the cheeks on the upper part only, like this. See, this is how mine is looking when you take a closer view. I've done very light red inside the cheeks, है ना? In this area only. Like this. And in rest of the area, now I will take the skin color and I will fill dark skin color in all over the area. Okay. So just fill regular coloring and make sure while coloring you have to go inside. You have to go inside the orange color. Okay. So you have to go inside the orange color. Leave the nose. Do not do any color in the nose area, okay? Or you can do skin color in the nose. It will still be visible. Just do normal skin color in the nose. So this is how the face would look after coloring. In the cheeks also, you have to go inside the cheeks while filling skin color, right? And this is how your face would look. I have done the outline with orange color and then I have filled skin color. Okay, now you have to pick dark blue color. Pick up this dark blue color, everyone. And I will fill this color in the outer circle, in the second circle, which is in the middle, okay? I will fill this color like this. Dark blue or purple color, any color you have, you can fill it. And now the eyes are looking like this, okay? And is it looking cute now? Yes, any blue or purple color you have, you can fill inside. Any color you have. Alia, that we will provide on WhatsApp, okay? Beautiful, very good. Now, when you're done with the face part, come down to the bottom part, which are the legs. Okay, at this part. And I want to fill red color inside these two shoes also. So take the red color again. Let us take the red color and let us make a thick outline again everywhere. Just like we did it above, we will do it here also. I will make a thick outline of red color everywhere. I will do a thick outline in this also. You can use this coloring technique to fill color in any drawing that you want to make look 3D. It would come out very nicely. Okay, so I have filled the color in both the shoes. Now I will do regular coloring. Light coloring and in one direction. While doing this coloring, the most important step is that it should be done in one direction. Okay, like this. Now, again, I see the difference between these two levels, hai na? So, okay, so mix the color like this. Again, I will mix it like this. Yes, Anushka. Okay. And I am done with the shoes also. Right? Everyone done with this drawing? Show me a thumbs up if you are done. Very good. Now keep it aside. I will keep it aside and I will start filling the color inside this paper. Right? Now is the turn for this paper. So first of all, I'll do the nose. I have red color, and to do the nose, I will just make an outline again of a very thin outline. I'll make a very thin outline of red color, right? Now just inside this, Everyone done with thin outline in the nose? I'm doing it in the nose. Complete it. Now you have to make another thin outline of orange color. Okay. And now you have to just one side, you have to do light orange color. Very light. See, very lightly I have done it. Can you see? And just one side. I have not done it on another side. Like this. Very light coloring. And then, yes, I'll show you again. First outline, very thin outline I did with red color. Okay. After that, I did outline with orange color. Okay. And I did light orange one side. And now I will make a circle inside the nose using skin color, and I will fill the color in rest of the area. See, this is how the nose should look. Okay, a white space we have to leave. This is how it should look. When you're done with the nose, show me a thumbs up, okay? Those who are done with the nose can show me a thumbs up. Okay. Very good. Many of you are showing and have done amazing work. Now again, we will fill the color in hands, and we will use the same technique that we used in the face, that we will do outline with orange color, and then we will fill the skin color. So I will do a thin outline of orange color inside the hands. Okay, like this. Here also I will do very thin outline, thin and dark outline of orange color. Like this. And after this, I will do light outline. This is a 2-hour activity, so but I will try to wind it up early. But basically, this is a 2-hour activity, okay? I'll fill light color both the sides. Yes, we will be using paints also in this. We will be using watercolors also, and we will be pasting cotton also. We are just about to come to that step. Okay, so I have filled orange color in the edges. Now pick up the skin color and fill it regularly. Just regular fill. Like this. Okay, and here also fill it normally. Like this. Okay, so I have filled the color in the hands also. And now the last part is left. Do you all have gray or silver color? You must be having gray color. So I will do just light coloring around the edges of the paper. Just light outline, nothing else. Like this, okay? Very light outline I have done. I have done gray color outline. See, very light outline I have done in the box. Okay. When you're done with these two, you have to show me a thumbs up. Okay. Those who are done can show me a thumbs up. I can see many of you are still doing. Yes, I'll wait for. Yes, gray. If you don't have gray color, you can use this color, this silver one. And if you don't have silver one, you can use blue color also, light blue color. Yes. Okay, done. So now is the time for cotton. Pick up your cotton, everyone. Pick up the cotton and I'll tell you how to make little circles. Okay, so sis, I have taken this cotton. Now I will stretch it and I will fold it backwards. I'll fold it like this and I will make small circles. Okay, I have to make circles. So now it looks like a circle, hai na? It looks like a circle. Again, I have to make so many circles because I will be placing them like this. Okay, so you have to stretch the cotton little bit, stretch it evenly, and then fold it backwards. All the edges, the rough edges that it is giving, just fold them backward. You will find so many circles. Okay. You can make bigger ones also. Like to paste in the center, I can make the bigger ones also. Bigger ones, smaller ones. I have to make so many. So this is how it would look. Are you all able to make the circle? Yes, this is the Santa's drawing. It is completely visible. See, this is how it is looking. Show me your circle, everyone. Are you all able to do it? I want to see. Can you show me the circle you have made? Very good. Just stretch it and fold it backwards, slowly and gently, and you will see a nice circle. Make so many like this. Spread it and then fold it. Okay, we have to cover the whole beard. So this much of circles we will be needing as we want to cover the whole beard. Yes, we have to paste it. After this, we have to paste it. Okay, so and you know one more thing, that I will not paste it around the mouth. The smile that I have made now, I will not paste it on that. Okay. So I'll make one more, the bigger one. Okay, like this. So now I will start pasting it. I'll take the Fevicol. I'll zoom it out so that you can see it completely. Okay, I hope now it is more clear. So I will add the cotton on the beard, right? Okay, on the paper. So I'll add a good amount of Fevicol on the beard so that I'll be able to stick it. And make sure it is away from the cheeks and mouth. We have to make it away from cheeks and mouth, okay? And do the outline till the edges. I'm adding Fevicol on the paper. I've added the Fevicol all over the paper, and now I will be pasting my circles. So I have made these bigger ones, and I will fold it at the top. If I think that it will cover my cheeks, I will fold it like this. Okay, I have to paste it this side also. So I will fold it inside if I see that it is covering my teeth, cheeks. Okay, like this. Now I can paste it everywhere. Paste the cotton balls that you have made. Okay, I am adding more such. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm very happy to know that you all are enjoying, because that is the main aim. And you all have to share your artwork with me on WhatsApp, okay? After you complete the artwork, you have to share it on Facebook. On my WhatsApp number, I'll provide you my WhatsApp so that you can. Thank you so much, Devanshi. I will add the cotton. Yes, we are taking regular classes also. I'll provide you all the details about the class at the end, okay? We take regular classes, and those who are interested can stay after the class. Okay, so we will be starting with a new batch from 30th. So if you're interested, you can definitely join. You all are most welcome there. I'll add little more Fevicol, and now you see that just by adding the Fevicol, it is looking so cute. Okay. So now what I'll do, yes, I'll provide you the details. I'll provide you my number also. Okay, so I have pasted the cotton here at the, okay. Now I will keep it aside and I will cut these two. Take the scissors. Take the scissors and first of all, cut them into small pieces, okay? Yes, I'll give my number in the end of the class. Okay, give just a minute. This is my number, okay? So those, you all please note down this number or take a screenshot And you all have to WhatsApp your artworks to me on this number. Okay, note down the number, and I am cutting the banner. And those who want to join also can WhatsApp me on this number. We have different age groups for different batches. We are taking different batches of different age groups, like junior batch, pre-junior batch, senior, and super senior is for moms. So the moms who are interested to join can join super senior batch. And for kids, we have pre-junior, junior, and senior. Okay, you can send immediately after the class gets over. You can WhatsApp me your artwork, but make sure you are holding your artwork and smiling, okay? Because I should be able to know who made this drawing. Don't send me just the drawing. I want to see you holding your artwork and your smile, okay? Now I will cut the nose also. Cut the nose very carefully, okay? While cutting, make sure you do it very carefully. Okay, I will keep it aside. So this is the nose. Now I have to make a small ball of nose of cotton like this. Okay, I'll take little more and roll it like this. A small ball of cotton, and I will paste it at the back of my nose. Make sure it is not visible. It should not be visible at the back. Okay, at the Fevicol. I think mine is little big, so I'll make it small. And I'll place it at the back. I'll place it at the back of my nose. And now I will add some Fevicol on the cotton. And I will place it at the place of nose. Okay, like this. And I will press it. So your nose would look 3D. Can you see? A popping nose? Yes. So this is how it would look. Okay. So just place it and press it. And you will see a nice popping nose. Okay. Now we have to paste this banner here on the top. We have to paste the banner like this. So the little dwarf is holding the banner and wishing all of you a very happy new year. Okay, so I will not add cotton at the back of this. I will not add Fevicol. Why? Because cotton is already there. Okay, so it will already be popped up. I will simply add Fevicol at the back of this. Okay, add the Fevicol nicely so that it gets sticked, and I will place it like this. And I'll press it. Okay. So this is how your little dwarf would look. Now just the background is left and our drawing would be completed. If you are done till here, yes, nose would look 3D because we have added cotton to it. If you are done till here, please show me whatever you have done till here. Very good. Are you happy with the drawing, everyone? Are you happy with your artwork? Yes? Okay. Now take the water container. Take the water container and keep it aside. Okay. Now what you have to do you have to take your color palette. Take your color palette and add very less amount of blue color. I will add very less amount of blue color and white color. Okay. If you want, you can use light blue color also. I've taken this color. How many of you are ready with watercolors? Tell me, show me a thumbs up if you are ready with watercolors. Okay, take the watercolor, and those who do not have watercolor can fill blue plastic crayon in this. Okay, so I have to take some cotton. I will take some cotton. Okay, and I have taken the color. Now what I have to do, look at it very carefully, everyone. I have to dip the cotton inside the water and take it out. Don't let it be inside. Just dip it and take it out. It will be full of water. And remove all the water. Just squeeze it so much that it gets rid of all the water it has. Okay. I've removed all the water. Now my cotton is dry. Okay. It is not completely dry. It is just wet. It does not have any water. As you can see, I have removed all the water. Okay. Now I will start taking the color in my cotton. I will take the color in my cotton. Okay, like this. And I will start tapping it all over. I'll start it from the edges. Make sure you don't do it close to the dwarf. Okay, it has to be away. So I will just do it at the edges. I will not come close to my dwarf. So this is how I'm doing it. As you can see, only at the edges part. Okay, make sure it does not touch, because if your cotton touches your black sketch pen, it will start spreading and it will spoil the drawing. So you have to be very careful with it, and you have to do it only at the edges, just like I am doing. I'll show you, I'm doing it at the bottom part also. Okay, keep doing it around. And slowly you will feel that the color in the cotton is getting finished. है ना? But you don't have to take more color. You don't have to take more color. The lighter color we will do close to the dwarf. Okay. So you just have to keep doing. And when you see that the color is getting lighter, that is completely fine. So if you see, I'm maintaining an outline, a very nice outline around the dwarf. I'm not going close to it. Okay, because if I go close to the black outline, it will spoil my artwork. So I will not go close to it, and it will give a very nice effect to my drawing. As you can see, my color was darker because I had just taken the color, but because now the color is getting over, I'm getting lighter color. है ना? So this is the magic of watercolor. Okay, keep tapping it. And because winter season is coming, It is already winter season going on, है ना? So, is everyone done with these colors? Show me a thumbs up if you are done. Okay, completed. Okay, and when you get done with it, the last thing of this drawing is we will take some watercolor in the color palette. I'll take little amount of watercolor. I'll take the earbud now. Take the earbud. If you don't have earbud, you can take paintbrush, but I'll prefer to use earbud. Now again, what you have to do, you just have to dip the earbud inside once. Okay. Okay, so I have just dipped the earbud inside, and now I will take white color. I'll take good amount of white color in my earbud, as you can see, and I'll start making little dots. These are the snowflakes. Okay. Just make little dots which would depict the snowflakes. Just make it all over the blue area. I'm using Camlin colors. I'm using Camlin watercolors. Yes, if you don't have any colors, you can use oil pastels also. We teach oil pastel in senior batch. Oil pastels, watercolor, painting, this all comes in senior batch and super senior batch. Okay, so with this, my drawing is completed. Now, when you get done with your drawing, do show me, okay? I can see all of you are busy with yes. Okay, I'm showing my number again. Just a minute. This is my number. You have to share all the details on this number. Okay, all the artworks. And if you're interested to join, you can WhatsApp on this number and you'll get all the details. You can take a screenshot or note it down. Yes, this is a very nice technique of making eyes and it makes it look so beautiful. Can you all show me your artwork once? Okay, just a minute. Complete, so many of you are doing. Very good. When I'll ask all of you, you all have to raise it and give me a big thumbs up with smile if you enjoyed the artwork, with your artwork, okay? Because I'm going to click a picture, a very nice picture. So you all have to smile, show me your artwork and bring it close to the camera. Everyone, please bring it close to the camera. Just a minute, just a minute. Let me set up my camera and then you have to show, okay? I'll tell you. Yes, I'll show the number once again. Okay, this is my number. This is my number, okay? Yes, so this is the artwork. And now can you all please show me your artwork with a big smile. Very good. Wonderful. Wonderfully done by all of you. You all have to share the artwork with me on WhatsApp, okay? I want to see the artwork of each one of you. You all have done amazing work. Very nice. And today, as you can see, we learned so many different things. How to make the popping nose that looks 3D. How to make a normal drawing exciting. Hannah, how to make realistic, real looking eyes and add 3D effect to different flat objects. Okay, so thank you so much. And here is my number. This is my number. So if you're interested to join, now I'll tell you about the classes. Those who are interested can stay and I'll tell you about the classes also. Okay, I'll show you some of the artworks also. I like to show some of the artworks that we have done in previous classes. This is one more artwork we did for Christmas. This is a penguin that we created in last classes. Here also we added cotton and we made snowflakes using cotton. And I'll show you more artworks. We are doing such kind of artworks in regular classes also. This is an artwork we did in pre-junior batch. We created little honeybee. This is a happy birthday drawing that we did. And this is the Doraemon we learned during the class. These are all for little ones. This is for pre-junior batch. And we did a picnic scene. Captain America fighting Corona. We are doing poster makings also and different kind of stuff. This is another Captain America we did. And folk art. Do you know about folk art? That is Indian traditional art. Okay, so we did folk art also. Little boy doing gardening. A little cupcake. So many artworks we have done. Here is a cat family. This was the drawing, poster making drawing for Unity in Diversity. And we had a Christmas workshop. And from tomorrow, we are starting with our New Year workshop also. If you are interested, you can join that. The topic is best out of waste. So we will be using waste material to create a lot of stuff. Okay. So we did this hand lettering. We have drawn it and colored it using hands and sketch pen. Okay. So we did this. And this is all the drawing we have learned. So many drawings we have done. So we have junior batch, senior batch and super senior batch and pre-junior batch also. Okay, and this is the number. Please take the number and you all have to share your artworks with me. Okay. And you all have to share. My name is Ayushi. My name is Ayushi. And you all have to share your artwork. This artwork, you all have to share with me, holding it and smiling. Okay, I don't want to see any artwork. That would just be an artwork. Okay, I want to see you with your artwork. You can WhatsApp me if you want to see senior batch drawing and super senior batch drawings. Now you can WhatsApp me. I'll provide you all the details. Very good. Few of the students are showing and they have done amazing. Very nice. So with this, everyone, I'll be winding up with the class now. Is everyone done? Yes, you can WhatsApp me. I'll show you all the drawings. Whatever drawings we have done, I'll show all of them. I'll show you the drawings of the kids also, which are done by other students. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you so much for joining and wish you all a very happy new year. And one more thing, that we are starting the new batch from 30 December 2020. So if you are interested to join, you can start. Just let me know and you can start from 30th of December. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.